Oi, oi, people. Wha Gwan Stout stew. Just go easy, the man. Oi, oi, people. Welcome to Cook and Vibe. Yes, man. Yo, we've had a delivery. Wha Gwan, people. Big up Wha Gwan. We've got a delivery. We've got crates. You get me? We've got the cherry and melon. We've got the pineapple and coconut. You get me? We've also got some rum clarts. You get me? The new ones on the market. The rum clarts are the newest ones. You're supposed to use to the cherry and melon. You're supposed to use pineapple and coconut. But here Wha Gwan, people, I've got something that nobody has got yet. What we've got is we've got a Wha Gwan Stout. It's called Gwan Easy. Yeah? Gwan Easy Wha Gwan Stout. Just like your Dragon Stout and your Guinness and them thing there. Brand new. Now nobody's got this yet. This is exclusive. So you know on Cook and Vibe we have to do something special with it, right? We're gonna be making a Wha Gwan Stout beef stew. Oi, oi. Today's ingredients, people. You're gonna need some beef. Cubed, chopped, whatever you wanna call it. Obviously you're gonna need your Wha Gwan Easy. I know, so you can't get that one there yet, but you can use a Guinness, you can use a Dragon Stout. You hear that? All right. Over here we got some seasonings, a little chicken seasoning, oxtail, some beef and steak seasoning, and some pimento seed. We've got some Irish. We got some carrots. We got onion. We got garlic. We got scallion, Scotch bonnet. You see me? Yeah, man. You're Irish, and yeah, man. You know anything go. You can put anything in your stew that you want, but you don't know it's a stout thing. You understand? What? The first thing we want to do, people, is we want to season up our beef. Do you know what I'm saying? So we'll go in with the easy spice. It's a chicken seasoning, but it comes like an all-purpose seasoning. To be honest with you, people, you know what I'm saying? I true say that the beef and thing we are putting a oxtail seasoning there said way because the same type of flavors. You understand, people? And then also we're gonna give it the beef and steak seasoning as well. Obviously, I'm gonna have to talk too much, you know the shrimps got already. Yeah, people, we're just gonna sear this off for like 5-10 minutes. You get me? And then we're gonna add some more seasonings and things. Why yo? We're gonna go in for some seasonings, some natural seasonings, people. You see, we got the thyme there, pimento berry, garlic, scallion, and white onion. Yes, people, gonna add a little touch of water. Just gonna leave that to just build up some juice. And only that for about half an hour, 45 minutes. Just intensify all them flavors in there, you see? Wha Gwan! You see me, people? Like I said, this is the exclusive drink. The Gwan Easy Wha Gwan Stout. So it's that time. We've had this with all the seasonings. This has been going on for like half an hour, 45 minutes. You get me? Now we're going in for the stout. You see me? Yes, people, you don't know how the thing said. Hoi! Like I said, ooh. It's got that stout, beautiful smell, just like the Guinness and the Dragon Stout, you see me? So yes, people, we're gonna put this in now. Not too much of it, not too much, but a decent amount, same way, you see me? And I think that's supposed to be good. Give that a little mix around. Nice. Oi, oi. Stout beef stew. Wha Gwan Stout beef stew. It's how good look, people, may I tell them, man, yeah. So now we're gonna add a little bit more water, a little bit more seasoning, and we're gonna add our Irish and our carrots. You see me? Actually, we'll put the carrots in first and let them go on before the potatoes, you see me? Yeah. Hoi people, don't forget to press that like button and subscribe, otherwise your fingernails will go rusty and crusty and fall off. Gwan easy is Gwan easy in the pot. You understand? Yeah! Wha Gwan beef stew. Oh yeah, I said, man, a new thing. You know, so we make the new creation. So we're gonna put some carrot in. Like I said, we're gonna put the carrot in before we put the potato in. Now, what I kind of want out of this stew, I want to kind of like, I don't want a big soup, I want a stew. And I want like small potatoes, small carrot. I don't want no big chunks of no vegetables in there. We're not going for that big soup type thing, you know what I'm saying? More of like a stew, like a low stew, could I call it, if that makes any sense to you. So yeah, we're just chopping up some carrot at the moment. I don't think we're gonna need all the carrots that I've got there. Carrots is one of them things there. When you start chopping up carrot, you just don't realise how much is actually there. Like carrots, do you know what I mean? Like this. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man! Wash your Irish potatoes, people. Now what we're gonna do is, like I say, we're not gonna put big chunks in. So it's gonna be more like, I don't know if they'll go even smaller than that. No, I think that's cool. We don't want them too small. We don't want them too small. So I think that's the kind of size you want to go for, people. Them type of style there, isn't me? Yeah, Gwan Stout Junior, proper thing, man. You see? Yeah. It a Gwan, people. It a Gwan now. Yeah, so we're gonna see the consistency. If we need to add a little bit of water, we will. And then we're gonna add some scallion, and we're gonna put the Scotch bonnet in. Don't wanna get too much spice. I've had quite a lot of spicy food today, so I'm just gonna put the pepper in and then maybe take it out. And maybe a little bit more seasoning, like I taste the juice, you understand? Yeah. Why? I tell you the truth, we don't need no more water in that, so I'm not gonna put any more water in it. I'm not going to put any more seasoning in it. What I'm going to put is I'm going to put another little bit of thyme. I'm going to add another onion, and I'm going to put the pepper in it, and we're going to leave it as that. You get me? Because that look good right now. It was smelling very stouty, which I was like, have I put too much in? So, want to take away. It seems to have eased off a bit now. It's more cooking into it. It seems to have eased off a bit. Because I want to smell beef, and I want to smell the Wha Gwan, you understand? Yeah. So yeah, man, we're gonna add them little things there just to intensify some flavors, to try and balance out the stout. You understand? Yeah, man, a new creation, man. I'm to you, man. Press the subscribe button, people, please and thanks. And if you press the like button, we'll get the thing moving. Yeah. Radam! No boy can't take man for island, no Nick Cannon. Drop bombs like Saddam, the boy there fishy, the boy there salmon. 2 shots from the cannon. Radam! Oh, it's a good look, people. It's a good look. Yeah, man. So, I'll make this Gwan easy for like a next 25 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes until these potatoes are nice and soft. Boy, there you go. Gwan easy beef stew. Oh, she's ready, people. She's surely ready. Hoi! Wha Gwan Stout beef stew. I think this is gonna come out and taste a lot better than I thought it would. Woy! Let's go, people. Taste time. Woy, people. Wha Gwan Stout stew. Just quite easy, the man. You think I chatted? No joking at it, people. Look at that, the beef's lovely and tender, and yeah, the stout is in there nicely. Pimento seeds, Scotch bonnet, thyme, and all them things there. Why, it's taste time. Why people, you don't know, big up young Junior. He's been here on the process with me for the whole thing. So Junior, give them a woy. Yazoo. So here we go, we're gonna try the beef stout stew. The beef cooked perfectly. Melts in your mouth. The stout is not like, it's not like jumping out at ya. It's blended in, and I think like all them little flavours that we've put in there has managed to balance out the flavour of the stout. Yeah, because the potatoes. The potatoes always suck up a lot of that flavour in the potatoes, do you know what I mean? And even at that, there's like what it has gave it is a little bit of a sweetness. Yeah, it's gave it a little bit of sweetness. Because I think there's a sugar content in the stout. But that's really, really nice. That goes really, really well. I know stout's something that goes with, you know, stews and beef stews before, but this is a Wha Gwan thing. And this is a Caribbean style. Do you know what I'm saying? I think that's balanced out really nice. Cooked perfectly. The pimento seed and Scotch bonnet have given it that little Caribbean flavour. It's really nice, man. Honestly, I definitely recommend cooking this. Junior, remember when we come in after half an hour and you said, Emda, he said, Emda, the beef's all soft. And I said, yes, my G, that's how we cook. And that's how he's going to learn to cook. You know what I'm saying, people? Yeah, man, Wha Gwan beef stew. It's a good vibe, I can't stop eating it. I'm telling you, a good vibe. So you know how the thing works, people. Big up section. And I'll see you next time for another new creation. I love creating new recipes, you know. It's a vibe, especially when it works out, you know what I mean? A mad thing, man. Big up yourself, people. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Hoi, people. Good vibes, man. Welcome to the big up section. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Just do the right thing, people. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Big up Wha Gwan for today's episode. You know what I'm saying? A wicked vibes, man. Yeah. So this week's big up Modern Decay. Yeah, he says M. Dot is a national treasure. Long live Cook and Vibe. Yo, man, it's true, bruv. This is what I'm saying. They need to wake up and realise. And also big up Oliver the Arwood 1501. He says, been subbed since the watermelon pepper shrimp days. Love your positivity and tenacity. Keep it up. Bro, I appreciate that. That means you are a real one, because that means you've been there from day dot. That was the second ever episode. So big up yourself, my bro. I appreciate the support. I appreciate you lot. Please share the video. You don't know how the thing's set. Next week, another crazy thing again. Same time, same place. Why? We are